has winds across western Lake Superior. Powerful northeast winds behind a departing low-pressure system will bring gusty winds of up to 60 knots this morning. Waves will quickly build up to 18 feet before subsiding this afternoon. Bayfield to Oak Point, Wisconsin, Grand Portage to Grand Marais, Minnesota, Grand Marais to Taconite Harbor, Minnesota, Taconite Harbor to Silver Bay Harbor, Minnesota, Silver Bay Harbor to Two Harbors, Minnesota, Two Harbors to Duluth, Minnesota, Duluth, Minnesota to Port Wayne, Wisconsin, Port Wayne to Sand Island, Wisconsin, Sand Island to Bayfield, Wisconsin, Oak Point to Saxon Harbor, Wisconsin, 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Friday, June 21st, 2013. Storm warning in effect until noon Central Daylight today. The National Weather Service in Duluth has issued a storm warning, which is in effect until noon Central Daylight Time today. Winds to 60 knots. Waves seas 12 to 18 feet. Precautionary preparedness actions. A storm warning means winds of 48 to 63 knots are imminent or occurring. Recreational boaters should remain in port or take shelter until winds and waves subside. Commercial vessels should prepare for very strong winds and dangerous sea conditions, and consider remaining in port or taking shelter in port until winds and waves subside.